Good morning, students. In this video, I explain remaining worksheet problems. In last video, I explained up to 7. Now, 8th one. Listen, question number 8. Here, calculate the horsepower of the motor of an revolver which can carry 10 persons average mass equal to 60 kg through a height of 20 meters in 30 seconds. Here total mass equal to total 10 persons, total persons equal to 10 persons. Each person mass equal to 10 kg, 60 kg. So here total mass equal to 10 persons into 60 kg, that equal to 600 kg. So here m equal to 600 kg. Next one, height is given, that equal to 20 meters, and t equal to 30 seconds. T equal to here 30 seconds, and g equal to 10 meter per second square. G equal to here 10 meter per second square. Then find the power in horsepower. Okay. So here work done equal to mgh. Work done equal to here mgh. M equal to here 600 into 10 into height, that equal to 20. So that equal to here 6 into 2, 12. 1,20,000 joules. It is the work done. Okay. Now here power equal to power P equal to work done by time. Power P equal to here work done by time. So here work done equal to here 1,20,000 by time 30. So 0 0 you cancel. So you want to see here 3 4. So here power equal to 4,000 watts. Here 1 watt equal to 750. 1 horsepower equal to 1 HP equal to 750 horsepower. Sorry, watts. Okay. Therefore, 1 watt equal to 1 by 750 HP. Okay. Now your power equal to how much here? Power equal to 4,000 watts. Now 1 watt equal to how much here? 1 by 750. So here 4,000 by 750 horsepower. 750 horsepower, that equal to how much here? 5.33. 5.33 HP. It is the power value. Power equal to here 5.33 HP. Okay. Next one, calculate the height through which a crane can lift a load of 4 T is given. Here 4 T means here 4 tons. When it is motor of horsepower is given, power equal to 4 HP. Operates for the 10 seconds. Operates for the 10 seconds. Okay. So what are the given values here? Sorry, my ninth one. Calculate here power of pumps horsepower which can lift 2000 meter cube of water from the depth of 20 meters in 25 minutes. So V is given V equal to 2000 meter cube and density of the water equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. It is the density of the water in constant value. So here G equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, next the height is given, that equal to 20 meters. T is given, that equal to 25 minutes. Now from volume and density we can measure mass value. Mass equal to density into volume. Density equal to 1000 into 2000, that equal to 2 into 10 power 6 kg. It is mass. So mass equal to 2 into 10 power 6 kg. Next one, work done equal to mgh. Work done equal to mgh. Mass equal to 2 into 10 power 6, g equal to 10, and the height equal to 20 meters. That equal to we can write 4 into 10 power 8 joules. 4 into 10 power 8 joules. Now power equal to work done by time. So work done equal to 4 into 10 power 8 by 25 minutes, changing to seconds, 25 into 60. Okay, so here power equal to, we can write here 400 into 10 power 6 by 25 into 60. Okay, 25 into 60. So here 0 0 get cancelled. 5 8 5 5s. Okay, here so here power equal to 8 into 10 power 6 by 5 into 6 30. Okay, so we can write here once again 80 into 10 power 5 by 30. 0 0 it cancel. Okay, 8 into 10 power 5, 8 into 10 power 5 by 3. So 8 okay, that is 8 into 10 power 5 by 3 watts. Okay, we know that watts convert into hours power. 8 into 10 power 5 by 3 into 750 hours power. 750 hours power. The total value equal to 355.55 HP. The total value equal to how much? So here power equal to power P equal to HP 355.55 HP. It is the hours power. Hours power equal to 355.55 HP. It is the hours power. Okay, now 10th one. 10th one, power is given, that equal to 4 HP. Power equal to 4 HP. Power equal to 10th one, mass equal to 4 tons, that equal to 4 into 1000 kg. So your mass equal to 4000 kg. Okay, next one, power is given, power equal to 4 HP. Power equal to 4 HP. So here 1 HP equal to we can write 750 watt. Okay, therefore power equal to 4 into 750 watt. It is the power in watts. Next, time is given. Time equal to 10 seconds. Then find the height. Then find height. So your power equal to work done by time. Okay. So your 4 into 750 equal to what done means here mgh by 10. Okay. 4 into 750 is equal to m 4000 kg into g 10 into h by time. Time equal to here 10 seconds. 10 it cancel. So here 4 into 750 by 4000 equal to h. So here height equal to 4 into 750 by 4000. Okay, so 0 it cancel. For 1 here 400. So here height equal to 75 by 100 meters, that equal to 0.75 meters. Height equal to how much here? Height equal to 0.75 meters. Height equal to here 0.75 meters. meters. Next one. How far long must an electric motor pumps 2 HP operates so as to pump 5 meter cube of water through a depth of 15 meters? To depth of 15 meters. Here our aim is to find the time value. Okay. 11th one. Power equal to 2 HP. HP converting to watts. 2 into 750 watts. Because of 1 HP equal to 750 watts. Okay. Next one. Density of the water equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Next volume V is given, that equal to 5 meter cube. From these two values we can measure mass. Mass equal to density into volume. Mass equal to, because of density equal to mass per unit volume. Mass equal to D into V. Density into volume. So here 1000 into 5, that equal to 5000 kg. It is mass. Mass equal to 5000 kg. Next one. Next height is given. Height equal to 15 meters. 15 meters. Then find the time value. So here power equal to work done by time. So power is given here 2 into 750. That equal to 1500. Work done equal to mgh by t. Therefore t equal to here mgh by 1500. Okay. So m equal to here m equal to 5000 into g 10 into height. Height equal to here height equal to 15 meters by 1500. So 2 zeros get cancelled. Remaining value t equal to 50 into 10. 500 into 15. 500 into 15 by 15. 15 get cancelled. Therefore, T equal to here 500 seconds. T equal to here 500 seconds. Okay. Okay, ma. Next one. Twelfth one. An electric motor of power equal to 2000 watts is switched. Sorry, 200 watts is switched on in for 1 minute and 40 seconds. So, if 60% of energy of the motor is useful, calculate the first one. Useful work done by the motor and load liquid to the vertical height of 10 meters. Vertical height of 10 meters. Here, energy supplied to the motor is energy supplied to the motor is, okay, we know that power equal to energy by time. Okay, from this power equal to energy by time. Okay, therefore energy equal to here power into T. Energy equal to here power into T. So here power is given. Power equal to how much here? 200 watts. And time is given. Time equal to here 1 minute and 40 seconds. That means here 1 minute equal to 60 seconds plus 40. Total 100 seconds. Time equal to here 100 seconds. Okay, so from this energy equal to how much here? Power into time. So power equal to here 200 into time equal to 100. That equal to 20,000 joules. 20,000 joules. Now, useful work done by the motor is useful work done by the motor is how much here? 60% of energy. That means here total energy equal to 20,000 by 60 by 60%. That means here 60 by 100 joules. Okay, now total 2 zeros get cancelled. Here 200 into 60, that equal to 12,000 joules. 12,000 joules. So it is the useful energy in that first one. Here useful energy equal to 12,000 joules. Therefore, useful work done by the motor is how much? 12,000 joules. 12,000 joules. In the next one, the load lifted by it through vertical height of 10 meters. Okay. Vertical height equal to 10 meters. 12th one, second one. Second bit in the 12th one. So here, useful work done by the motor in lifting the load is useful. Second one, 12th one. Useful work done by the motor to lift the motor in lifting load is lifting load is that equal to mgh, that equal to mgh, mgh. So here m equal to what here? Our aim is to find the mass of. So by the law of conservation of energy, from law of conservation of energy, from total energy is constant. That means here total in the first case total energy we got how much here? 12,000 joules. That equal to m equal to, our aim is to find here mass value, g equal to 10 and height is given. It is lifted to a height of how many meters? 10 meters. That equal to 10. So here 12,000 joules is equal to, it is from law of conservation of momentum. Sorry, law of conservation of energy. From law of conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. Total energy is constant or consumed. So that equal to 12. In first case we got 12,000 joules. That equal to mgh. So both are equal. So here 12,000 equal to mgh. So here mass, our aim is to find mass. So 10 into 10, that equal to 100. Therefore mass equal to 12,000 joules by 100. Get cancelled. That equal to 120 kg. So here mass equal to 120 kg. Okay, here mass equal to here 120 kg. Mass equal to much? 120 kg. Okay. Next one. In hydroelectric power station, 1000 kg of water is allowed to drop through a height of 100 meters in first second. So if the conservation of potential energy to electric energy is 60%, then calculate the power. Calculate the power. Calculate the power. 31. Mass equal to much? Mass is given, that is equal to 1000 kg. Next, height is given, height equal to 100 meters, g equal to 10 meter per second square, and t is given, that is equal to how much? 1 second. Okay, first of all we will find work done. Work done equal to mgh, that is equal to m 1000 g 10 into height, that is equal to how much? H 100 meters, that is equal to 1 into 10 power 6 joules. It is the energy. Okay, now useful energy. Useful energy equal to how much here? Useful energy equal to how much? 60%. That means here 1 into 10 power 6 into 60 by 100. 0 get cancelled. Here 1 0 get cancelled. That equal to 1 into 6, 6 into 10 power 5 joules. It is a useful energy. Now power equal to work done by time. Power equal to work done by time. That equal to 6 into 10 power 5 by 1. So here power equal to 6 into 10 power 5 watt. It is the power value. So here power equal to 6 into 10 power 5 watt. 6 into 10 power 5 watt. Listen. So here mass is given 1000 kg. height equal to 100 meters, g equal to 10 meter per second square, and time equal to 1 second. So by using of mass, height, g, acceleration due to gravity, we can measure work done. So work done equal to mgh. So m equal to 1000 into g, 10 into height 100, that equal to 1 into 10 power 6 joules. Now useful energy. If conversion of potential energy to electrical energy, here electrical energy, if the conservation of PE means potential energy to electrical energy, how much here? 60%. Here work done equal nothing but here potential energy. Okay, so here how much here? 60% means 60 by 100. Total energy equal to how much here? 1 into 10 power 6. So here we can write 1 into, that equal to 1 into 10 power 6 into 60 by 100. So we can write here. Okay, so 0 it cancel. Here 6 into 10 power 6. 6 into 10 power 6 by 10, that equal we can write 60 into 10 power 5 by 10 here. 0 it cancel. So here energy means what is useful at converting energy, potential energy to electrical energy, that equal to 6 into 10 power 5. 6 into 10 power 5 joules. Therefore power equal to work done by time. So here power equal to work done 6 into 10 power 5 by time equal to 1. So here power equal to 6 into 10 power 5 watt. It is the power equal to here 6 into 10 power 5 watt. Okay. At the same time, this will convert into hours power. For example, hours power convert into hours power. So power we got power equal to 6 into 10 power 5 watt. Okay, 1 watt equal to 1 watt equal to 1 HP equal to, we know that 750 watt. Okay, so here 1 watt equal to 1 by 750 HP. Okay, therefore power equal to 6 into 10 power 5 by 750 horsepower. 1 0 cancel. So here P equal to 6 into 10 power 4 by 75. It is horsepower. Horsepower equal to 6 into 10 power 4. 6 into 10 power 4 by 75. 75. So we can write like this also. Power equal to 60 into 10 power 3 by 75. 5 table, 5 12, 5 ones here, 5 5s. Okay, 3 table, 3 4, 3 5. That equal to 0.8. So I will see here 0.8 into 10 power 3 HP or 800 HP. It is the power value in horsepower. Power value in horsepower equal how much here? 800 HP. Power equal here 800 HP. Okay, thank you.